Welcome back to Brady Pat RC, and today just a short little video just to show you a new little obstacle I've been working on this week for the 124 crawler course. So here we are, just to give you a little update on the extra obstacle that I've been making. So we've done 4 obstacles already. I'm making another 4. This is the first one. So I used an old plastic sign, Corex type plastic there, still gluing underneath, but I've got a couple of small timbers underneath to give it a bit of support so when you're picking it up. And all I did was initially use some leftover Tamiya spray paint, TS46 light sand, because the sign was originally white. Just give that a spray over to give it a little bit of a sandy, deserty type look. And then all I did then was with a marker pen, I just drew some form of trail lines, a bit like a road. And then I used some no more nails that you can get from any of your hardware stores. And I put it all in the middle, spread it all out with a little spatula, and then got loads of these little stones, stuck them on there. I'll branch from a tree that I found, cut them up, stuck that on. I did this earlier in the week and I've only glued the timbers on underneath today, but this seems to have really gone off really well. A test there, that's great. So what we'll do is we'll give it a quick test now in the shop, see how it goes. Not expecting anything to roll over or anything like that, as it's just a little bit of fun, a little addition to the course. That's not too bad. Then we'll just give it one last go back over this side. Oh, my one-handed driving, there's a lot to be desired at the moment. Trying to concentrate on the filming and the driving. But overall, quite pleased with that. Quite pleased with that. Finally, don't know if you noticed before from previous videos that the top box comes pre-assembled on the top of the back of the cage on the back of the truck. So what I decided to do was just give it a different look, and I just used some blue tack, put that on underneath, stuck that on the top of the roof. I think it looks quite good. Tell me if you like it or not. Anyhow, what I have done is, and you'll see it in future videos, is that on some sections of the course that I've made already, this does not tend to roll over so much now. Maybe because it's the weight's up on the top now, I don't know, but it seems to do pretty well. So stay tuned, there are more obstacles in the making, and happy RCing.